This 5-minute solution will show you how to make someone a Facebook group expert. First of all, make sure you are the group owner or admin. Now, once you are in your Facebook group, tap on Manage and tap on People. So you will be able to select someone from your Facebook group member list. So if you want to add someone as your group expert, make sure the account has been joined to your Facebook group. Okay, now for example, I want to make this user my group expert. So I'm going to tapping on this three dot. And now tap on Invite as group expert. A request will be sent to the account. If they accept the role of group expert, they will receive a badge next to their name in a group discussions. Tap on Confirm. Once the request sent it, now I'm going to that Facebook account. And I'm going to the group, and here we can see I received an invitation. So to accept, tapping on Accept as group expert. Got it. And now I'm going to the group owner Facebook account, and let's go to the group, tapping on Manage, People, again tapping on this three dot next to the profile, and here we can see now here is the option showing remove as group expert. It's mean I've successfully added this account as my group expert. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below, and make sure to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.